In this video we are going to learn profit sharing ratios, how these ratios are calculated. First we must know what types of the ratios are there. The first one is gaining ratio, and the second one is sacrificing ratio, third one is new ratio, and the old ratio is given in the question. That is no need to calculate old ratio. So gaining ratio will be new ratio minus old ratio, and sacrificing ratio will be old ratio minus new ratio. Next one, that is the new ratio, that will comes by old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. If it is the gaining ratio, then it will be added to the old ratio. So here we are taking example. Suppose there are three partners A, B, C. They have the ratio 2, 3, 4, and they decided to change their ratio 1, 1, 1, that is equal ratio. So what will be their gaining and sacrificing ratio? We will see here. We will apply the formula, that is the old ratio minus new ratio, and in the case of this formula, if the answer is negative, then it will represent gaining ratio. Suppose the answer of any partner comes in negative, then it will be gaining partners, and if it is positive, then it will be the sacrificing ratio. Okay, so we will see the examples of A's share. So A's old ratio was 2/9 and new ratio was the 1/3. That will be subtracted. So first thing we will have to do, that is to have the LCM, that is 9, and the answer will be 2 minus 3, that will be 1 minus 1/9. How it comes? First we divide denominator to the LCM, and the result is multiplied by the numerators, and that is 2 here in the first case, and in second case it is 3. So the answer will be 2 minus 3, that is the gaining ratio. So A gains here by 1/9 share. Next example we will see, that is the B's share. Same procedure will be applied there, and the answer will be 0/9. That means no gains, no sacrifice. B will neither gains nor sacrifice because it is 0/9, and the answer will be the 0. And in case of the C, the same thing will be applied there, and the answer will be in positive, that will be in 1/9. So that means C sacrifices 1/9. So here we can see that sacrificing ratio is equal to gaining ratio. Okay, so A gains 1/9, B neither gains nor sacrifices, and C sacrifices 1/9. Profit sharing ratio. This is calculated with the help of two methods. The first one is remaining method, that means remaining share, and the second one sacrificing method, or with the help of the sacrificing ratio. So we find new profit sharing ratio first by remaining method. Suppose 1 is taken as the whole or the complete ratio, and we deduct new partner's share. Suppose there is new partner who is admitted for 1/5 share, so we will get the remaining ratio. If we deduct 1 from 5, that will be 4/5, that is the remaining ratio, and with the help of this remaining ratio we will find out the new profit sharing ratio by multiplying it with old ratio of old partners. Suppose if the old partners have their old ratio as 2/1, then we will get new ratio of old partners as 8/4/15. It is 8/15 and 4/15, and the new ratio of the three partners will be 8/4/3/15. If we calculate sacrificing ratio to find out the new profit sharing ratio, we will have to keep two things in our mind. The first one is there is of so it will be multiplied, or if there is from, then it will be deducted from his or her share. That means he sacrificed or he acquired of his share or her share, or from his share or her share. Another thing, that is, if there is the ratio of the sacrifice equal to 1, that means 2:3. It is also means 2/15 or 3/15, that will come to 1. Or in another example, if it is 2:1, then will also be result into 1, that will be 2/3, 1/3, and the result will be 1. Then in this case we will have to multiply it. And if there is from, that will be deducted where there is ratio is not equal to 1. For example, 2/15, 3/15, and definitely it will result into 1/3. That means 5/15, and the final result will be 1/3. In this case, that will be the sacrificing ratio, and the sacrificing ratio will be deducted from the new profit sharing ratio. To understand these two methods, we will take some illustration or the example or the question. The question 1 is, A and B were partners in the ratio 4:1. They admitted C for 1/5 share which he acquires equally from A and B. Find out the new profit sharing ratio. The solution will be, in this case, acquired equally, that means of the total is equal. 1:1 means equal, so 1/5, that is 1:1/2, and we will get 1/10 and 1/10 as the sacrificing ratio, and that will be deducted from the old ratio. So new ratio of A, B and C will be, in this case, old ratio minus sacrificing ratio, that is 4/5 minus 1/10, 4/5, 1 minus 1/10. So question number 2. In this question we are taking the example of the remaining method. Suppose there are two partners X and Y in the ratio 2:3. They admitted Z for 2/5 share. Find out the new profit share ratio. No other condition or situation has been given in this question, so that question will be, or this question will be solved with the help of the remaining ratio. How this will be solved? See the solution of this question. So in the solution, first we will find out the remaining method or remaining ratio. That was the old ratio 2/5 and 3/5. So C's ratio was the 2/5 and the remaining ratio will be 3/5, and the new profit sharing ratio will be by multiplied by old ratio, that is 3/5 multiplied by 2:3/5, and we will get 6:9/25, and the new ratio of X, Y and Z will be 6:9:10/25. Thank you so much.